Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are driving down to Virginia Beach to go meet everybody at AutoGlass Week. We have some tricks up our sleeves. We're gonna be making some great content, but right now we're stuck on this road doing 56 miles per hour. You know we gotta drive this slow because the Virginia cops will peg us to the wall. It's a known thing. And I feel like I've been in the car for 10 hours and we're in the car for about 4.5 hours so far. Obviously he's filming. I don't know if we're gonna be allowed to film inside. That's another thing. They're like, oh, you need a press pass, so I'm gonna try to get one. AutoGlass Tech Talk, are you on that page?
Yeah.
They're gonna do a meetup tonight. We'll announce it live at something, all right? I'll see you later, nice meeting you.
Who's that, Zinni?
See.
I see you down there.
Picture, ready to go?
What's up?
Yeah, we film everything. That's how we get out there. We gotta make sure everybody knows who we are, right? That's how I focus on, because otherwise you're just gonna be just another guy, right?
Oh, next thing.
Yeah, you didn't hear what he said? He said, oh, look at all the money walking out. This motherfucker got an AP on. I sold all my Rolexes. I got no jewelry. Yo, I got a fucking wedding ring. That's about all I got left. Gone. This shit is hot.
We made it.
We finally made it.
First one in the books.
How's everything?
Installation or?
We do both. Both. So
Yes.
I don't know exactly where we're gonna go with everything down the road, but the more they try to not let me do things, the more they're just lighting a fire on me. So it's going. You know what it is.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of hoops we have to jump through to get where we are.
Right.
Thank God, you know, Paul's a stand-up guy, Dean's they're stand-up guys, and you know they're giving me reliable supply, which is really important to us. Steve is more of the technical
I didn't see
issue with
this
this.
yet. I'm waiting to see the stand if it's here.
The light one?
The light one.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, we
yet.
didn't see that yet.
That's
right?
the new.
No, we didn't see that.
No, the Mobile Plus. I
You
want to
know,
see that.
The tablets, the software is very similar across the
That's
board.
it, right?
We have Launch and we have Alltel. We use Alltel more than we use Launch. We use CarCal as our actual ADAS stand, and then we use Top Don as our 3-in-1 radar to do all that stuff. Yes, and it feels good. You know, it feels good to be like, you know what?
It's
you
going to
got
be
that.
different.
I
Have
got
something
that.
different in the industry.
You can install it.
Oh yeah.
That's you know, you got two things going on at the same time.
No, we always have.
We bring
have
it
too many
in,
things
install
going
it,
on.
recalibrate it. From the beginning to the end, we're doing it.
Yeah.
You know?
So we see we see quality issues. We catch it. Like we've had problems with other companies already. We bought some, bulk containers. Just not happy. Bad communication. Like I knew Dean's up. He's flying around. He still got back to me. I want to put another order, and he's like, "Don't worry, I'll get it to ASAP." Yo, it means a lot to me. Just the smallest little things of communication. Because like once again, it goes back to we're not Safeway, we're not Glass Cement, we're not in the company, so they think we're nobodies. But hey, I could be a guy that next time has 10 warehouses next year. You don't know where I'm at, where I'm going. So you know what? You can't burn your bridges. It's like I can't do that with my customers. One guy might call me and I might give him the runaround because I don't want to deal with him, and then we'll find out he's got a fleet of 30 HVAC vans. Why wouldn't I take the business? But we're gonna run around. I gotta go check CarCal. Pleasure to meet you. I'm gonna be here for next time. Nice meeting you. What's up?
Pleasure being
Mike,
here.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I did Mike McCarthy. Nice to meet you. How you doing,
I was
Mike
just checking.
McCarthy? Nice
I was
to
just
meet
checking
you.
your
What's up,
measurements.
man? How's everything? Long time no see. How are you? What's up, man? Good to see you. You too. How's everything? Congratulations.
Calibrating.
Thanks, man.
You're tan. Where you been going? You're nice and tan.
This way, dude.
I wish I was that tan.
Looking good. You're all hey, man, looking good.
Yeah, I know.
Good, man.
I'm like, I seen a bed by myself tonight. I'm like, this is gonna be beautiful.
Easy, smooth. Virginia, we were a little scared with the speeding.
I should have got my own
We
one. I have
calmed
to share
down.
with him. I hope you don't snore because I haven't slept in like 3 months. My wife does
you
the
brought
brunt of
this
the
here?
work, but
Oh,
I gotta act like I gotta deal with it. She's in my pocket.
just-
It drives me
Yeah.
crazy. So you want to let them know the call gets coming. Yo, we just make a short video, put it on the YouTube channel. You guys can use it, put it on your website.
We'll
I'll
make a
have
little
them edit it.
commercial, yeah.
I'll give you a Google Drive. We'll forward it right over you, and boom, it's on the website.
You want to do it right now? Oh, you're here, ready?
You want to do? All right, listen. This is on you. This is your department.
We all ready to
I
go?
make the money and I talk to everybody. That's my department.
There he is. Let me make sure I'm good.
You look at real Puerto Rican today.
Real Puerto Rican today,
You
right?
should be tinting. You shouldn't be doing glass.
What's going on? AutoGlass Direct here at AutoGlass Week. We're here at the CarCal booth. You know what you got to do? I forgot to tell you. Over here, I see the ends getting banged up when they go into here. maybe put like some like delirium plastic or just an insert because what happens, the guys are like when they slide it in, sometimes it hits and nick this. So when I had to actually shave a hole down to get the arm in because I was going and it got stuck. It's nice at the end of the day I'm not dead because I'm lifting all this stuff up,
Shadows are no big deal.
So maybe the Toyotas, maybe sometimes on like that sun angle or something like that, you maybe need a backdrop on one of the left or rights or something like that. Sometimes,
No, it's a new Wagoneer. So Wagoneer.
563.
Yeah, this is what they want to sell us. I don't know who Jim is. I gotta find.
I need that.
Yo, check this out.
That's nice. 465.
What did I just say about the Ryobi? I said, why would they make it for that and not make it for this?
I haven't seen it. And
you'll feel it.
That's nice. No, this is the one piece.
You can unscrew
You
that.
have a battery with you?
No, I don't.
Yeah, it's a one piece. Look at this, beautiful. Guys, check it
It's
out.
just light.
Ultra is
So a lot of
conversion,
times,
465 barrel metal too.
a lot of times we get the acrylic tubes crack on us, especially if it's
Yeah.
cold out.
Drop
depending
them on the floor or something like that.
What urethane you're using, depending on the weather. But they always crack. They're not cheap, so you want to definitely buy something like this.
You have these? You have these in stock?
They're available now?
Yeah.
Alright, like I
we
can
have
order
the
them tonight?
600 mil.
Nah, we don't want a 600.
I want
We want the 465s.
I want
For
both.
the M12s
You want
or
both?
the M18?
So what? You want it to
M12s.
M12s.
We don't have a 600 M.
All right, so
No,
I'll
I'm
take the
telling you,
465.
yo, it would make a lot.
No,
It would make a lot
100%.
easier
And it
for
comes with the
everybody.
plunger too, the whole kit.
The plunger, the
Yeah,
kit, Loctite,
Yeah,
and the rack.
yeah.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, bro? What's going on? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. You ready for the competition?
You're looking trim and fit, brother.
Trying, bro. Trying. I just had a baby. My wife's driving me crazy. Baby's driving me crazy. You know, the usual
I got
shit.
grandkids now, so
Oh,
yeah.
God bless you.
So this is a thermal imaging camera.
Okay.
So a lot of times when we're looking for the radar sensors, where's the radar sensor at? Where's the 1/4 mm radar sensor at? If they're on, they emit heat, right?
So you can read it.
So this thermal camera will allow you to be able to find it, pinpoint it, and then, oh, there's my mark, put a piece of tape on it. Or
Oh, so
whatever.
you're saying to get more of a direct spot.
You know exactly
where
what
the
it
heat
is.
So if it's behind, like when I did the Mitsubishi, if it's behind the grill, I mean, I did it, I lined it up, but you're saying it's more accurate.
One of the cool things about this is, so the table right here, there's no heat signature on it, right?
Right.
So if I put my hand on it for just a couple seconds and I pull away,
So it leaves the image, yeah.
Shit, don't check me. I'm gonna be really red.
well, so this is perfect for anything that emits heat, tires, exhaust, brakes,
Yeah, anything.
sensors and all that kind of stuff, but also you can use it on your wife to figure out if she does have a cold heart or not.
Right.
Just point that right at her, and it'd be a cold spot.
Boom. So right there, cold,
Yeah.
done.
Right, you have these in a tablet style, which is going to be a standalone. You have them in the gun style as well, but also we have ones that you can connect directly to your phone.
That's what I see over there, right?
So you can use your phone as the device and save that money. So the phone style comes in a little case like this, and you can use it on Android or on iOS. So without the investment on it, you can buy one of these from your AutoGlass Direct guys and have a thermal imaging camera on your phone.
Dude,
No,
this can come in handy for a lot more than just
No,
that.
it's a lot more, 100%. 100%.
Well, so this is one of those tools where if you start walking through your house, you're gonna get mad. You're like, oh, I got a leak there, I got a cold spot
No,
there.
crazy. Just hypothetically speaking, you got a broken wire in a harness. That will pick that up
100%.
because it's emitting heat outside the
Well,
wire.
If you have a short,
a short, that's what I mean.
so
a
you
short.
have a short and it's
Yeah.
hot, you could just,
Yeah.
it's going to
Okay,
scan
so
it.
think about on the electrical side. So think about, I have a parasitic draw. My car goes dead overnight.
Correct.
So what we do is we open up all the doors in the trunk and the lid, latch them all so the car thinks it's closed. Put a battery charger on it, let it set overnight. Now the next morning we can go through and start scanning the car. If it's pulling electrical load, it's going to have a heat signature to it, right? So now we can go through the whole car and go, oh look, my fuse is on. It's pulling electrical load, and now we can start pinpointing where that parasitic draw is.
Right. You find where the heat is, and then you're going to find out where everything else is.
That could come in handy. I mean, he's more of the electronics guy than I am. He
No,
understands.
but just
better,
like you
but
said, like, I was doing the Audi, this, that. If it's, hard to find, on the old data or something, I could just 2 seconds on my phone,
Yeah, so
find it, done.
We got 3 legs for leveling adjustment. Right? So we have these drop-down pads.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever pitch you're on, you can get it exactly where you need. Spirit levels. Small targets for the arms. A little bit
I've seen that.
Different.
Right now, it's smooth.
Yeah, nah, that looks a lot better.
smoother.
Yeah.
smoother, right? Really, really like that improvement.
That's all right. That's all right. I'm in the way. No, it's really not. I like the design.
You got the